Hello everyone, it's Terry, and this is going to be a very quick unboxing. And this is from KRULL Smith. And I got another Aerangis. So, hurry up and box. Full of popcorn, or peanuts, what they want to call those. And I pull out my orchid. Try to get this tape off. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, and I'm back. And here is my orchid. Very nice monopodial orchid. And it is Aerangis modesta times Aerangis Elro. And if you haven't noticed yet, there's a spike, and here's another spike. These are the root tips, as you can see, green tipped, as is this one. Whereas this is still elongating, as is that spike, which did get a little bit of a curve in shipping, but we will see. But it should be a very nice long inflorescence with white star-shaped birds in flight type flowers, or looking flowers. I'll put a picture up. Nice addition to my collection. I used to have an Elro that I got from Orchid Limited.
This is Aerangis Elro, which is a cross with Platyphylla and Modesta together. They look pretty much like Modesta, but larger and with more flowers. It's an extremely vigorous hybrid. Very hard to kill. It seems to grow and thrive in pretty much, cool, intermediate, or warm conditions. I keep them a little bit drier in the winter at the roots, but other than that, water as needed. It's a medium light plant. It can grow anywhere in Phalaenopsis to Cattleya conditions. It's all these lovely flowers, and they're super fragrant at night. Flowers last for a good couple of months. They have these really neat long nectaries because both parents in nature are pollinated with moths with a proboscis that long that will reach down into the nectary here where the nectar is waiting for them. It's a very cool hybrid and pretty easy to grow and flower.
I'm pretty sure it was Orchid Limited, and they don't even have these anymore, so I'm glad that I found this. Anyhow, that's my video. That's my new Aerangis. Thanks for watching. And as always, enjoy your orchids. Bye.